Hello, fellow steamers. St. Paul Steam here with a Jensen 25 and 35, all on one platform. I've done a little more work to it. We've got a custom tag now on it. 25-35 right there, breast tag. Made the exact same size and likeness of the original. It reflects the new stage of it. Only got it running on I think about 50 volts right now. Very low. As we know, the 35 will run on whatever pressure is in the boiler because it's hooked directly up to it. The Jensen, or the 25 side of it, I could adjust. It has a throttle, so I can somewhat run them independently, of course. If I want to, I can stop the 35 and just run the 25, or vice versa. We have a throttle right here. So they can run independently of each other. If we turn the voltage down a little bit more. Let's see, yeah, 55, I turned it down to about 45. Now since the 35 part of it's an oscillator, it's only going to run so slow before it stalls. This one, the 25 part, will run much longer. Especially that being a non-reversing, they just are really well timed. Now, I've not restored it, but it's in very, very good shape. It would be, both of these would be, this is a brass tag 35. They would both be back in the late 40s probably. 48 to what, 50-ish? It's fairly slow for the 35. All right. Or I can turn the voltage up full power and it'll run like a scalded dog. There we have it, folks. As always, I thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye now.